Hello, my name is Jeff Glaza. I'm coming on here today to show unpackaging. I got my new package today and from the CTFO with my CBD oils, and I ordered a 3-pack, so I just wanted to make a video of unpackaging that, and then I'm going to share a testimony. So let's see how they've got this packaged. This is actually a new packaging. It came in a box before. It's in a very sturdy bubble wrap envelope. So I'm just gonna, first time there's the 3 bottles, and they're packaged in rolled up in a bubble wrap. Packaging slip. Okay, looks like they're all in really good shape. Oh, nothing's broke open. I'm going to open one of these up. And I'll show it. So, and it comes with a seal around it. I don't know if you can see that. And these are the 1500. And it's got a seal around it, safety seal. And I've got one open right here. And in a moment I'll just show how you take those. I started taking the CBD oils last summer and started really taking it. I started taking it to help me focus and with anxiety issues and stuff while I was competing, playing in actually some pool tournaments. And it helped me a lot, and then the side benefit is that it started helping me with my muscles and muscle aches and my joints. I've been getting better sleep, deeper sleep, but really started taking it consistently a couple months ago, 3 months ago, and it's really helped with my muscles. I was getting really scared about that I might have something, and I wasn't able to figure out what it was, and the CBD oils have really made a big difference. One other testimony, I gave some to my dog. She had a Lyme's flare up, and within 36 hours she was no longer limping at all. So anyway, I'll show you how to take these. This stuff literally is liquid gold. I mean, it's that's a little more than 20 drops in there, so you can count the drops out so you know how many are in there. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's just 22, 23. So that was pretty close to 20. And this is the 1500. So I've been doing more of microdosing with this, taking anywhere between 5 and 10. So I squeeze about half of it out like that, and then let the air bubbles work to the top. So that's roughly about 10 drops. And then you want to place it under your tongue, and then just hold it there for as long as you can, before you swallow it. 30 to 90 seconds is what they recommend. So it'll be harder to talk once I'm holding that in there, but I'm going to show you. So you just tip your head back. Want to watch so you don't get lose any drops. And you just hold it under there. This has a nice peppermint flavor. Usually within 20 minutes to an hour, you should be able to notice that you're feeling a little more calm and relaxed. At least for me, I do. So thanks for watching. I'll put a link in the bottom for if you want to go ahead and try some. You can message me or email me if you got any questions. Thanks for watching.